Hello viewers, welcome to GutenDev presents Streaming Gutenberg, and in this section we are going to discuss the users and output of the Pullqoute block, which is of course in Gutenberg editor. So let's get started. Click on the plus sign, go to formatting and select Pullqoute. You can type your quotation here, like I'm typing "This is a great quote." Yeah, said by Mr. A B C D E. I don't know, any name you want. Just click on your update button and visit what you wrote. Yeah, your code is shown here. You can also add your custom CSS to your block. Just click advanced and add your additional CSS here. If you have any question regarding Gutenberg, WordPress, or any other blog, just write down your comment in the section below. We'd love to reply to your questions. Till then, goodbye.